In this video, I want to show you how to do a factory reset of your Brother label printer. This is the model of my unit over here, but it works the same with other Brother label printers that have a display. So the first thing you need to do is to press the menu button, and then don't go into settings, press the down arrow until you see administration. Press OK. Then go down until you get to reset. Press the OK button. And now you have a few different options. If you want to do a full reset, you need to select the first option, which is factory reset. Go up and then press once more on OK. I won't do it because I don't want to reset my unit, but if this is what you intend to do, press OK. It will usually take just a few seconds and everything will be deleted, including all your Wi-Fi settings and all your other personal data. Thanks for watching. If you found my video useful, check my links down below towards Amazon if you want to get a new label printer, some paper or other things, or simply leave a like and a comment. See you.